Good afternoon, everyone. It is November 14th, the week after we had our first set of presentations. And this week, we're going to continue working on what I think you first experienced last week as the real difficulty of actually being able to give a presentation. Up to now, a lot of you have thought about English as a lot of memorization, memorizing English, and then being able to say it in one fell swoop like this. That is not what is difficult about presentation. What is difficult about presentation is in the word presentation, presenting yourself. And being able to present yourself requires more than just English skill. I know many native English speakers who are very bad at presenting. So if you think that it's just that, oh, I need a high TOEIC score, I need more vocabulary, that is not presentation skill. Presentation skill begins from many things, but one of them first is that you know your content. And a lot of you, I think, did not really understand how difficult it is to remember all of the English content you have. You only had 2 or 3 minutes of content, and you thought it would be easy to be able to say it, but a lot of you, I haven't finished marking your videos yet, but a lot of what I saw was people with very small voices because they were trying to remember what they were saying. So your voices were very small. A lot of you still did not know how to stand with confidence. You were standing like this, or like this, or like this. That makes a very bad presentation. That has no relationship with English. That is not an English problem. It's this. Now, these are things that we have to practice. You took your first step. You learned how to stand, speak English, and be in front of a camera. We take the next step on the next presentation. The next presentation will be a pair presentation, 2 people. Anybody you like, your friend, somebody that you choose later on, but you will give me your pair partner's name next week. So this week, I want you to think about who will make a good pair partner presentation. And 2, you will use PowerPoint. You will use PowerPoint in this presentation. Now, this class is about presentation. This class is not about PowerPoint. If you want to learn how to use PowerPoint, look inside your user's manual. It will tell you everything you need to know. I want to show you about what is good in a PowerPoint. I'm not going to show you how to use all of the buttons. Those buttons, you can check YouTube, you can check your user manual, and they will tell you what is important. Now, in terms of your assignments this week, you basically have only one. It is this reflection 6. This was a big problem for many of you. Actually, it's probably the #1 problem. You did not understand how hard it is to actually remember English and to say it in a presentation. Some of you did very well, but even the ones who could remember, you were speaking with a very small voice. Your gestures are very small. I tell you, bend your elbows, okay, and actually start moving your hands. And as soon as I show you, move your hands. And you look at me, oh, and then very quickly you put your hands down. Now, what is that problem? That's not an English problem. That's here. And I'm going to show you another video a little bit later from Tim Cook, again, the Apple CEO. And I want you to see how his presentations are done. In any case, this is your only assignment this week, reflection number 6, how to memorize a speech 10 times faster. So please watch this video, give me the reflection exercise by tonight. Otherwise, remember, next week, I want you to have your pair partner ready. And we're going to start working on your presentation during PowerPoint. If you have any questions, please contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com.